Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a really helpful resource for everyone preparing for competitive exam, especially those that includes a section on computer awareness. We are referring to the Spectrum's Question Bank Computer Awareness, a widely recommended book for exams like Bank PO, SSC, Railway, UGC NET, CLAT and other recruitment tests. In this video, we will be covering 15 of the most important multiple choice questions taken directly from this book. Each question is followed by a detailed explanation. Whether you are a beginner looking to build a strong foundation or revising before the exam, this series will definitely give your preparation a boost. And yes, this is part 1. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to catch the upcoming videos in this computer awareness series. Which of the following operating systems response time is very crucial? A. Batch operating system. B. Unix operating system. C. Network operating system. D. Real-time operating system. The right answer is D. Real-time operating system. Real-time operating system response time is the total amount of time it takes to respond to a request for service. Here, the service can be a memory fetch, a complex database query, or loading a full web page. It can also be defined as the number of processes executed by the CPU in a given amount of time. In a real-time operating system, the time interval to process and respond to inputs is very brief. Which of the following is not an example of real security and privacy risks? A. Hackers. B. Spam. C. Viruses. D. Identity theft. Correct answer is B. Spam. Spamming uses the messaging systems to send unsolicited messages to large numbers of recipients for the purpose of commercial advertising and non-commercial proselytizing or any prohibited or illegal purpose. The main idea of spam is to make a profit. Mass email sending is cheap and easy as compared to physical mail. Control, Shift and Alt are keys. A. Function. B. Modifier. C. Alphanumeric. D. Digital. The right answer is B. Modifier keys. Modifier keys are special keys that modify the normal action of another key when the two are pressed in combination. For example, Alt and F4 in Microsoft Windows will close the program in an active window, contrary to pressing just F4 that will probably do nothing unless assigned a specific functions in a particular program. What kind of server converts IP addresses to domain names? A. DNS. B. UTP. C. MNS. D. RTP. Correct answer is A. DNS. Domain name system or DNS is what translates your familiar domain name into an IP address. What is the full form of ADSL? A. Active Data Link Subsystem. B. Asymmetric DSL. C. Audio and Data Link System. D. Asynchronous Data Link System. Correct answer is B. Asymmetric DSL. ADSL means Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line that offers faster connection speeds than the traditional internet via dial-up phone lines. DSL means Digital Subscriber Line denotes that the internet uses digital connections between a modem and a phone line. MS Word is an example of A. An operating system, B. Application software, C. A processing device, D. An input device. Correct answer is B. Application software. Application software help the end users perform single or multiple tasks. Application software is downloaded from the internet. Which of the following languages is more suited to a structured program? A. PL1, B. Fortran, C. Basic, D. Pascal. Correct answer is D. Pascal. A programming language is a formal language comprising a set of instructions that produce various kinds of output. In 1970, Niklaus Wirth of Switzerland designed Pascal to teach structured programming, which emphasized the orderly use of conditional and loop control structures. During the late 1970s and 80s, the Pascal was one of the most widely used languages for programming instructions. What terminals are often connected to complex inventory and sales computer systems? A. Data, B. Point of sale, C. Sales, D. Query. Correct answer is B. Point of sale. The point of sale or point of purchase is the time and place where a retail transaction is completed. At the point of sale, the merchant calculates the amount owed by the customer, shows that amount, may prepare an invoice for the customer, and indicates the options for the customer to make payment. Point of sale refers to the place where customers execute payments for goods or services. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the A. Loader, B. Compiler, C. Operating system, D. Assembler. Correct answer is C. Operating system. An operating system is the system software that operates the software and hardware resources and provides services for the computer programs. A computer cannot boot without an operating system. Which of the following is not a function of control unit? A. Direct operations, B. Interpret instructions, C. Execute instructions, D. Read instructions. The correct answer is A. Direct operations. Direct operations are not a function of the control unit. The control unit is a component of a computer's central processing unit that directs the operation of the processor. It tells the computer's memory, arithmetic and logic unit, and input and output devices how to respond to the instructions that have been sent to the processor. ALU and CU both are the two primary components of a central processing unit in a computer system. ALU stands for arithmetic logical unit, whereas CU stands for the control unit. It is the part of the CPU that is dedicated to deal with the controlling purpose. What is the full form of AVI? A. Audio Video Interface, B. Audio Video Interleave, C. Active Video Integrated, D. audio and visual information. Correct answer is B. Audio video interleave. Audio video interleave, known by its initials AVI and the .avi file name extension, is a multimedia container format introduced by Microsoft in November 1992 as part of its Video for Windows software. Audio video interleaved is a multimedia file format that allows storage of both audio and video data with synchronous audio video playback. The Central Processing Unit CPU consists of A. Input, output and processing, B. Control unit, arithmetic logic unit and primary storage, C. Control unit, primary storage and secondary storage, D. Control unit, primary storage and secondary storage. Correct answer is B. Control unit, arithmetic logic unit and primary storage. The Central Processing Unit consists of control unit, arithmetic logic unit and primary storage. All computers, large and small, must have a Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit consists of two parts, the control unit and the arithmetic or logic unit. The CPU interacts closely with the primary storage or main memory, referring to it for both instructions and data. Coaxial cables are widely used on which of the following network? A. Mobile networks, B. Broadband networks, C. Telephone networks, D. Cable TV networks. Correct answer is D. Cable TV networks. The copper-made coaxial cables are mostly used on cable TV networks. To connect two or more computers or networking devices in a network, network cables are used. There are three types of network cables: coaxial, twisted pair and fiber optic. 1 kilobyte is equal to how much byte? A. 1250, B. 2088, C. 1024, D. 1000. Correct answer is C. 1024. The brain of any computer system is A. ALU, B. Memory, C. CPU, D. Control unit. Correct answer is C. CPU. The computer brain is a microprocessor called the Central Processing Unit. The CPU is a chip containing millions of tiny transistors. It's the CPU's job to perform the calculations necessary to make the computer work. The transistors in the CPU manipulate the data. You can think of a CPU as the decision maker.